Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Are you tired of constantly swapping out batteries for your Ring devices? Well, I've got a game changer for you today. Introducing the Ring charging station for quick release battery pack. This nifty little gadget is about to revolutionize the way you power your Ring products. Imagine never having to worry about your Ring devices dying at the worst possible moment. With this charging station, you'll always have a fully charged battery ready to go. It's like having a personal power plant for your smart home security. The sleek design fits perfectly into any home decor, and the quick release feature means you can swap batteries in seconds. No more fumbling around or downtime for your devices. Plus, it can charge two batteries simultaneously, so you're always prepared. But here's the kicker. It's not just convenient, it's also a money saver in the long run. Say goodbye to disposable batteries and hello to efficient, rechargeable power. Trust me, your wallet and the environment will thank you.